Okay na? Yeah. Oo. Mas marami ng space to para dito.
Plus yung 40.
Mas marami ng space to para kay
Ito diba? Kita
Oo, yung pader, kita siya. Pero maganda siya. Like parang nagpa-pump siya dun sa...
So dito na lang natin ilagay yung diagram.
Soft drinks. Nakalagay na yun.
Nag-start na
Paano naka-start na to? Okay ba mag...
Akin to mo today's episode, di ba?
Oo.
Go, go. Sabay-sabay sa culturality, ha?
Opo.
Okay.
1, 2.
Nakalagay, di ba?
Hola, I am Dala.
I'm Kim.
I'm Kurt.
Hey there!
On today's episode of Chika, our thoughts and viewpoints are heard as we explore Filipino society and all things culturality.
Actually, yeah. Totoo. Pag ano. So, anyway guys, we have a caller.
Ang that pasok mo dyan is, guess what?
So guess what? We have a caller.
May nag-call!
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yung recording site.
Napasok mo na lang.
Guys, ito. Alexa.
Alright. Okay na. Jesus.
Jesus
Diba?
Lala.
Wala ako doon!
Okay lang po. Click ko.
Wait lang, paano kayo papasok yung...
Okay.
Diba, no? Grabe.
But then again, guys, babes.
But anyways, yeah, thank you. Thank you guys.
Thank you, babe.
For sitting us. And for sitting down with us. Yeah, thank you. So for joining us here in Cultural Liti.
Pati palitin natin.
Okay. So, yeah, buhay naman nila. So,
Hindi ba tapos?
ayun nga. Oo naman. At buhay nga naman nila. So, yeah. Thank you, babes, for sitting
Thank you,
down
babes.
with us, for joining here in Culturality. Ikaw ba, how open are you in acknowledging yourself? How comfortable are you in looking back? So, that's the question. Bye,